Hey, welcome to today's Tech Reviews. Myself Apik and you are watching Technojan Infocom. Wish you all a very happy new year and thanks to all Technojan family members to be with us, and thank you and be happy and take care. So let's start today's Tech Reviews. Samsung Galaxy On NXT 16GB variant is going to launch on 3rd of January, means tomorrow. Tomorrow Samsung is going to launch a new smartphone of Samsung Galaxy On NXT series of 16GB variant. The phone having the same configuration or specification as Samsung Galaxy Next 64GB variant. The phone is made with aluminum series of metal and this is a made in India product. The price of the phone is 9,999 rupees and it's exclusively available only over the Flipkart. Buy link given in description, you can buy from there. The Samsung Galaxy On NXT smartphone coming in 3 color option: black, white and gold color option. It's also have a fingerprint scanner within the front home button. The Samsung Galaxy Next having 3GB RAM with 16GB internal storage, and it's having a dedicated microSD card slot which supports up to 256GB of microSD card. The Samsung Galaxy Next is coming with Exynos 7870 octa-core processor with 1.6 GHz clock speed. This time Samsung Galaxy Next packed with large battery backup of 3300 mAh battery. In case of camera, it has a 13 megapixel rear camera with dual tone LED flashlight and PDAF autofocus technology. And the front camera is 5 megapixel selfie shooter. It's also have a autofocus technology. Both the camera have a lots of features like HDR mode, beauty mode, smile mode, like this etc. Both the front and rear camera can shoot the video at 180p Full HD resolution. The Samsung Galaxy On NXT 16GB variant having 5.5-inch large Full HD TFT display, and the resolution of the display is 1280 by 1080 pixel. The Samsung Galaxy On NXT 16GB variant is bundled with Android 6.0 Marshmallow. I don't know why Samsung is still offering Marshmallow on their devices, and there is no confirmation from the Samsung that whether the device will get Nougat update or later. In case of network connectivity, the Samsung Galaxy On NXT supports dual SIM. Both are the nano SIM slot. Both the SIMs support 4G, but at a time single SIM can handle the 4G network. 2G and 3G network also supportable. It also supports high quality VoLTE calls. Connectivity option included Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, USB connector and etc. The phone also have a 3.5mm headphone jack for audio output, and it has a active noise cancellation with dedicated mic. Sensor attached with Samsung Galaxy On NXT 16GB variant are proximity sensor, accelerometer sensor and the front fingerprint scanner. The Samsung Galaxy On NXT 16GB variant available only on Flipkart, and buy link given in description. And thank you. If you want to know more about other Samsung mobile, then click on the top right corner and subscribe my channel and like my video. And thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification while I upload a new video.